Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your phone. First, you'll want to download the Roblox application from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, either create a brand new account or log in with your existing username and password. It's a quick and easy process, taking just a couple of minutes to get set up and ready to explore millions of experiences right from your mobile device. Once you're logged in, the Roblox app opens up a vast world of games. You can easily browse through popular experiences right on the home screen, or use the search bar to find something specific, perhaps a game your friends are playing. The app also offers recommended categories, helping you discover new and exciting content tailored to your interests. There are millions of unique experiences waiting for you to jump in and enjoy. Playing Roblox on your phone is incredibly intuitive. You'll use an on-screen joystick for moving your character around the virtual world. Touch controls allow you to interact with objects, open menus, and perform various actions within games. Many games offer customizable settings, letting you adjust things like camera sensitivity or even button placement to perfectly suit your play style. It's designed for a seamless and enjoyable mobile gaming experience. To ensure the best possible Roblox experience on your phone, a few tips can help. Always try to connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. This significantly reduces lag and improves gameplay. Closing other applications running in the background can free up valuable device resources, leading to smoother performance. Finally, regularly update your Roblox app to access the newest features, security enhancements, and bug fixes, ensuring you always have the best version.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.